Well, underworld Don Dawood Ibrahim Kaskar's right-hand man Chhota Shakil's attempt to kill his biggest rival Chhota Rajan has failed. As per intelligence sources, an attempt was made by few D Company shooters in Newcastle, Australia 2 months ago in April this year at the instruction of Chhota Shakil. Rajan, after getting a tip-off about his rival's plan, escaped to an unknown location just few hours before the shooters could reach the spot. Sources claim intelligence agency intercepted a call between Mumbai and Karachi in which Chhota Shakil was heard in a conversation with a Rajan gang member. In this conversation, Shakil insisted on the location of Rajan. Shakil even offered a bribe to this gang member. Chhota Rajan's gang member finally informed Shakil about his hideout in Australia, after which Shakil hired his best and most trusted shooters to kill Chhota Rajan. My colleague Vidya is now joining me live from Mumbai for more on this. Vidya, this cat and mouse game seems to be unending between the Rajan and the D Company. Now, does the police suspect that this might have repercussions as far as Mumbai is concerned? Because the address, the location of Chhota Rajan was disclosed by his own gang member who was situated in Mumbai.
Well, certainly Mumbai police has been patting its back, saying that they have managed to, make a law and order situation in such a way that there has not erupted much of a problem since the time that the gang war really used to happen. Since then, Mumbai police has not really, seen to it that no such incidences really happen in Mumbai. Though there have been stray incidences. If you remember, there was journalist J-Day who was killed by Chhota Rajan himself. There are people who have been hit by Chhota Shakil gang as well. But gang war hasn't really broken out in Mumbai. Mumbai police is trying to ensure that such stray incidences also do not happen in Mumbai. In the case, as you said, that the person who was speaking to Chhota Shakil was from Mumbai itself.